Hello everyone! The second video in the Coding Synthia series is here. In this video, we'll experiment with another type of input, encoders. We'll draw a rectangle on the matrix and show how to adjust its size with the encoder. First, make a new variable called width. You can do that in the variables block section and drag it into the drawing area. Now, set the value of it to 8 using the 1 to 3 block from the math block section. To code what will happen when you move the left encoder to the left, find the when encoder left moves left block from the I/O block section. We want the rectangle to narrow as we move the encoder to the left, so first find the set variable 2 block from the variable block section. Next, we need to decrease the width value by 1 when we turn the encoder to the left. You can do that by using the following blocks. We need to constrain this value because we have 16 columns of LEDs. Put another set width to block and add the constraint block from the math block section. Set the low and high values of width to 0 and 16. Now, let's code what will happen when we move the encoder to the right. Duplicate these blocks and change them like shown here. This time, we'll increase the width value by 1 when we turn the encoder to the right. Next, we'll need the loop forever block. Find the fill matrix track frame with 0 block from the matrix block section to turn off all of the LEDs. Next, we need to draw the rectangle. Take the block for drawing a rectangle from the matrix block section and input the values like shown here. Again, you need to include the push frame to matrix block. Also, add the scan encoders block at the end. If your code looks like this, you are ready to click on the Run button. Try turning the left encoder left and right to see what happens on the matrix. Have fun! If you want to put the stock firmware back onto your device, just go here and click on the Restore Firmware button. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more examples.